How's it going, everyone? This is Cody with Catching Up with Cody. We're headed home right now. We're gonna get ready to go fish on the Stillwater River. This is gonna be part one in our series where we cover a bunch of the rivers here in Dayton, Ohio. We're gonna take my kayak out, go float down the river for a couple hours, see if we can catch some smallmouth bass and hopefully some largemouth bass. Get back with you guys once I get home, get the kayak loaded up on the truck. We'll see about getting back on the water and seeing what we can catch for you guys.
A few moments later.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Hey guys, as you can tell, this is not a video of me fishing down the river. Unfortunately, I lost a lot of the video. I got back home, tried to upload it to my computer, and had a fatal crash on one of my SD cards. So I'm just going to include all the videos that I was able to recover, and hopefully next time we'll be getting some better quality video. And all right, might be time to change baits, guys. Let's go ahead and make our way downtown.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass, and I'm homebound. I'm gonna get out. That's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna get out. And while we're out, we'll just walk around the kayak a little bit. All right, so it's very, very shallow out here. You know what I wish I had? I might want to try to fish that area over there real quick. I wish I had a power pole. If I had a power pole, I could just send her down real quick and fish this pile of wood right now. Let's see how this works out for me.
Mayday, mayday. Hello, can you hear us? Can you hear us? Can you... Over. We are sinking. We are sinking.
Hello? This is the German Coast Guard.
We are sinking. We're
What are you thinking about?
I'm sitting on the edge of my kayak. I don't know if it's a good idea, but I'm doing it. Something bubbling over there. Maybe a frog. Oh wow, biggest fish of the day, guys.
Lie detector test determined that was a lie.
Yeah, I caught a smallmouth. Am I recording? Yeah. Oh geez, come on, dude. Come on. I don't want to tear you open. All right, here we go. Yeah, little guy. See, if I'd take this guy and put him in my fish tank at home if he wouldn't eat my other fish, but he will. All right, guys. Well, that concludes the end of the day for fishing. My wife's on her way to pick me up. There she is right now.